Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today our topic which we will discuss is very simple and it will be very helpful to everyone to understand what we are doing. We just make a student's performance chart and how we relate this student performance chart with this type of graph. And here you can see the name of the student and some subjects in which they got marks, and here you can see the marks and its percentage and the chart which is reflecting their performance. For example, if the mark got 100 marks, so if I just enter here, so you can see the marks of the mark, like it increased. If I just increase, or if I just write here 40, then if I just press here, so you can see the difference. This is how it relating the marks with the graph. And if we change the marks of any student, then its percentage will be changed, and if the percentage change, it's automatically reflecting its performance graph. This is how we just make the performance graph. So how can we make it? I already made a sample for you, and here you can put the marks of the students here, and here you have to just write the names. So I just started it from here so that your time will not be wasted. So how can we just use? We just write a formula of sum so that we will get the total marks. So how we can write the sum? We just write here equals to assume sum bracket open. You have to just select the marks, and this example is very simple, so I just using the same formulas and simple formulas. So here you can see the total marks, and if you want these total marks to be appearing in these values, so you have to just drag it down without manually typing the formula for each numbers. So here you can see the total number of marks the student got. Now for the percentage, you have to just write here formula, or you have to make the formula manually, like equals to, and now we just select the cell, divide it, and divide it by the total number of marks. So how can we find out the total number of marks? Here you can see the marks of one subject is 100, so there are 4 subjects, so the total marks will be 400. So you have to just press your enter, and here you can see this percentage, but we want the percentage in percentage format. So here you can see the general values. In this general value, here you can see the percentage sign, and if I just click here, so you can see the percentage. Now I just drag it down, so it also reflecting the percentage here. This is how we made our chart in which our sort of sum function completed, our percentage formula completed. Now we just want to make a chart for these values. So for making the chart, we only want the name of the students, and we only want the percentage. So how you can write? You have to just select the name of the students, and then you have to select the percentage. We select the both, and what we have to do, we have to go here, and in this we have to go here and insert tab, and insert tab, here you can see the column function. You have to go here in the column function, and I just select the first one, which is very simple. So the function and the box appears, so I just make it smaller, and I just put this formula chart here so that you can get the better understanding of how these formula works. First you have to just delete the series, and you got the box, and here you can see the student name of the students, and here you can see the values. So what you have to do, you have to just make the range so that the values will not be changed, like it starts from 0 and it ends from 100. Sometimes it will be changed to 500, it will be changed to 200. So to make it constant, how can we use? We have to just click the values and click on right. Here you can see the format axis. You have to go here, and in this format axis it says you about the minimum and maximum. So our minimum we fixed it to 0, and our maximum we want to fix it 100. So for 100 it all automatically did it by 1. So you have to see, and let's click on it, so it will show you the value of 100, and it did not change its constant limit, which starts from 0 to 100. And now we have to just remove these grid lines. So I just delete here, And if you want to make it more presentable, you have to just go here and you have to change the format chart area. So here you can see the lines, or you can see the different shades. I just made this type of shade, and for grid lines and for pattern you can select this type of pattern, and for the values here you can see the different patterns which is reflecting here. So this is how we can change, or we want to change, or if you want to change any format, or if you want to make any format. I just want to make this type of format, so I just made it. And here you can see, for suppose if I change the value of our student marks to 80, you can see the change here. If I just want to change the value of the John, like if I just write here 100, so where is John? John is here. If I just write here 100 and press enter, so it increased, and because its percentage is increased. This is how our whole example is completed. We just make a very simple example by putting the values and make it total, and then from the total we calculate the percentage. And after calculating the percentage and making it completed, we insert our chart function, and in the chart function we connect these values. So if we change any value, the reflection or the reaction will be shown in the graph. This is how our simple example completed. If you face any confusion in it, you can write in our comment section, and please support our channel by subscribing it, by sharing it, and by clicking it on like. Thank you so much.